RWA News digests the pulse of assetization. This is your weekly global crypto roundup. Tonight, we break down the biggest developments across 6 key segments: North America, Europe, Asia, the Middle East, Russia, and institutional markets, covering everything from policy shifts to institutional adoption. Let's dive in. In a landmark decision, U.S. banks now have the green light to enable crypto custody, engage in stablecoins, and act as validators in public blockchains. The move marks a significant step toward deeper integration between traditional finance and digital assets. Meanwhile, the much-anticipated Genius Stablecoin Act is heading for a Senate Banking Committee vote this Thursday, March 13th. Lawmakers say the latest revisions bolster consumer protections, transparency, and risk mitigation. And in trading news, Coinbase is set to launch 24/7 Bitcoin and Ethereum futures trading, giving U.S. investors round-the-clock access to digital assets. Across the Atlantic, institutional crypto adoption continues to gain momentum. Germany's Deutsche Börse will begin offering Bitcoin and Ethereum custody through its post-trade giant Clearstream next month. Meanwhile, Spain's second-largest bank, BBVA, has received regulatory approval to offer Bitcoin and Ethereum trading, further expanding institutional access. And in the UK, crypto exchange Gemini is expanding its USD payment rails, with plans to roll out services across the EU and EEA in the coming weeks. China has made a major policy shift, now officially allowing Bitcoin ownership, a significant move given its historically strict stance on crypto. While trading and mining remain restricted, this could signal a more open approach to digital assets. Meanwhile, Japan's ruling party has proposed cutting crypto gains taxes from 55% to 20%, aligning them with stock investments, potentially paving the way for Bitcoin ETFs. In India, Coinbase has secured regulatory approval from the Financial Intelligence Unit, clearing the way for crypto trading services in one of the world's fastest-growing digital asset markets. Over in South Korea, regulators plan to roll out institutional crypto investment guidelines by Q3, further integrating digital assets into traditional finance. And in Thailand, the Securities and Exchange Commission has approved Tether's USDT as an official cryptocurrency for trading and payments, effective March 16, 2025. In the UAE, Ripple has secured regulatory approval from the Dubai Financial Services Authority, making it the first licensed blockchain payments provider in the Dubai International Financial Center, DFC. This development is expected to revolutionize cross-border payments in the region's $40 billion remittance market. In Russia, the Bank of Russia has announced plans to allow limited crypto purchases for investors, signaling a measured approach to digital asset adoption in the heavily regulated financial system. Back in the U.S., MicroStrategy, led by Michael Saylor, has launched a $21 billion of the market ATM stock sale program, with proceeds expected to fund further Bitcoin acquisitions. And in the world of sports, FIFA has expressed interest in launching its own FIFA token, with early discussions suggesting it could be developed in the United States. That's your global crypto update for this week. From regulatory shifts to institutional adoption, the digital asset landscape continues to evolve. Stay with us for more updates.